So today we're going to look at types and methods of assessment. So what are these types and methods of assessment? There are many types of assessment which are conducted at different stages of learning and have different purposes. These include cognitive, formative, summative, and recognition of prior learning. Diagnostic assessment. It is used to ascertain a trainee's strengths and weaknesses, to identify a training program for him or her, or to assign him or her to a specific group. So formative assessment helps students to learn and practice. When is it done? Throughout a training program. How? The trainees are assessed and given feedback as they learn rather than at the end of the program. Why? Checks on the trainees' progress and provides feedback on areas that need more learning. Who? It is conducted by the trainer who doubles up as the internal assessor. So according to TVET CDAC guidelines, a candidate should have at least 3 formative assessment as evidence. Here is an example of formative assessment mark sheet. At the top there, we have the institution's logo and name. We have the center code, center assessment name, course code, course title, unit code, unit title, then the dates from and to. Then you have the candidate's registration code, the candidate's name. Then on the right hand side you have the 3 formative assessment and the average. If you have a practical, then it's the same. We have the 3 practical and the average. Below we have the where it is signed by the internal assessor, who is the trainer in that institution, and the internal verifier, who is the HOD. Summative assessment. Summative assessment is described as assessment conducted at predetermined points in the learning process. One of the bodies that does summative assessment in Kenya is TVET CDAC. There are various contexts of assessment that is done. There are 3 main contexts of assessment. There is the institutional assessment, such as training in an institution, on the job or at the workplace, and work placement. At workplace, where training is occurring or a trainee is attached or placed. Methods of assessment. There are ways used to collect evidence of someone's performance. In choosing from the many ways of assessment, consider the assessment purpose and context in which you are going to assess. Case studies, written assessment, and oral assessment are considered as theory assessment. Simulation, practical assessment, demonstrations, project, presentations, these are considered as practical assessment. In the next video, I'm going to look at the design and development of assessment tool. Thank you.